Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first video in the playlist to solve the May-June 2023 Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Math 2 paper. In this video, we're going to be solving the first question in this past paper. So let's get started. Alright, so here's the first question. It says that the continuous curve C has equation y equals to f of x. A table of values of x and y for y equals to f of x is shown below. And there's the table right there. Then it says to use the trapezium rule with all the values of y in the table to find an approximation for the integral from 4 to 5 of f of x with respect to x, giving your answer to 3 decimal places. Basically, we just have to substitute the respective values from this question into the trapezium rule formula. This is given to us in the formula booklet, and I'm showing you the trapezium rule formula here from the formula booklet. In order to apply this formula, we need to find the value of h. We are given in the formula booklet that h equals to b minus a over n, where b is the largest value of x and a is the smallest value of x. N is the number of values of x minus 1 or the number of values of y minus 1. So, to find h for this question, we know that the largest value of x is 5 and the smallest value of x is 4. We know that the number of values of x are 6. So, subtracting 1 from 6 gives us 5, which is our value of n. We can also find n by subtracting 1 from the number of values of y, which also gives us 5. It's the same thing. So substituting these values to find h, we get h equals to 5 minus 4 over 5, which equals to 1 over 5. Therefore, h equals to 1 over 5. Now, before we begin, I'd first like to clear that y0 in the formula is the first value of y here, which is 9.2. This means that y1 is the second value of y, 8.4556, and y2 is the third value of y, 3.8512, and the pattern follows. Yn is basically the last value of y in the table, which is 8.6. This means that yn minus 1 is the second last value of y in the table. Substituting these respective values into the formula, we get a half into 1 over 5 into 9.2 plus 8.6 plus 2 into 8.4556 plus 3.8512 plus 5.0342 plus 7.8297. Entering all this into your calculator gives us 6.81414. Rounding this value to 3 decimal places, as the question says, we get 6.814, which is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. Please view the playlist to find more videos for solved and explained questions from this past paper. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll be back with another video soon.